Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real World English, where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be back with you all. How has your week been, Ben?
It's been a really good week, Chloe, thank you. A little busy with work, but I made sure to find some time for my hobbies. It's so important to have that balance.
Oh, I agree 100%. Having hobbies and things you love to do outside of work is essential. That makes me think we should talk about that today.
Hobbies and pastimes. What a fantastic idea for a topic. It's something everyone has, and it's always interesting to hear what people are passionate about.
Exactly. But before we dive into our favorite activities, we have a very quick message for our amazing community of listeners.
That's right. If you're enjoying our podcast and finding these conversations useful, we would be so grateful if you took a moment to subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to support us.
And please give this episode a like if you enjoy it. Your support helps us more than you know. Okay, Ben, let's talk about hobbies.
Let's do it. So, Chloe, to start us off, what is something you love to do in your free time? What's your main hobby?
For me, my number one hobby has to be gardening. I know, it might sound like something for an old lady, but I absolutely love it.
Gardening. That's not what I expected. That's really cool. What do you love about it?
Oh, everything. I love being outside in the fresh air. I love the feeling of the soil in my hands. And most of all, I love watching something grow from a tiny little seed into a beautiful flower or a delicious vegetable. It feels like magic.
Wow, when you describe it like that, it does sound magical. What kind of things do you grow? Flowers? Vegetables?
Both. In the spring, I plant lots of colorful flowers: tulips, daffodils, sunflowers. They just make the whole garden look so happy. And in the summer, I have a small vegetable patch. I grow tomatoes, cucumbers, and lots of herbs like basil and mint.
Fresh tomatoes from the garden are the best. There is nothing better. Do you cook with the things you grow?
I do. Making a salad with my own tomatoes and cucumbers is one of the most satisfying feelings. Or making pesto with fresh basil. It just tastes better when you've grown it yourself.
I can imagine. It connects you to your food in a special way. That's a wonderful hobby, Chloe.
So, what about you, Ben? What is your main pastime? Now, I'm very curious to hear yours.
Well, it's a little different from gardening. My main hobby is playing the guitar.
Really? You play the guitar? That's amazing. I had no idea. How long have you been playing?
I've been playing since I was a teenager, so, wow, for about 15 years now. It's my way to relax and de-stress after a long day.
15 years is a long time. You must be very good. What kind of music do you like to play?
I like to play all sorts of things. Sometimes I play soft, acoustic music, singer-songwriter style. It's very relaxing. But other times, I love to play classic rock music. It's so much fun to play loud and feel the energy.
So you have two different styles, a calm style and an energetic style. Do you sing as well?
I try to sing, but I think my guitar playing is much better than my singing. Mostly, I just play for myself. It's a very personal thing. I can get lost in the music for hours.
I feel the same way about my garden. It's a world you can escape to. Do you have other hobbies besides the guitar?
I do. Another thing I really love is hiking, getting out of the city and walking in nature, in the forest, or up a mountain.
Oh, hiking is wonderful. It's so peaceful. And it's great exercise, too.
Exactly. I love the challenge of a long hike and the feeling when you finally reach the top and see the incredible view. It makes you feel so small, in a good way. It puts things in perspective.
That's a beautiful way to describe it. It's true. When you're surrounded by huge trees or mountains, your own problems seem much smaller.
Do you have any other hobbies, Chloe? You have your garden, but what else?
Well, it's connected to my love of cozy things. I really enjoy baking.
Baking. I should have guessed. What are your favorite things to bake?
I love baking things that make the whole house smell amazing. Chocolate chip cookies are my specialty. Or in the autumn, I love to bake apple pie with cinnamon. The smell is just the coziest thing in the world.
Now I want a warm chocolate chip cookie. Baking is a fantastic hobby. It's creative, and you get to eat the results. It's a win-win.
Exactly. It's science and art mixed together, and it's a wonderful way to show people you care. I love baking a cake for a friend's birthday.
That's a very thoughtful gift. It's so much more personal than buying something from a store. I think it's interesting how our hobbies say something about our personalities. Your hobbies, gardening and baking, are very nurturing and creative.
That's true. And yours, playing guitar and hiking, are expressive and adventurous. It's a good point. Hobbies are a big part of who we are.
They really are. They are not just things we do, they are part of our identity. And they are so important for our well-being, for our mental health.
Oh, absolutely. In our busy lives, it's so important to have an activity that is just for you. No pressure, no deadlines, just pure enjoyment. It helps to clear your mind.
It's a form of meditation in a way. When I'm focused on playing a song on the guitar, I'm not thinking about work or my to-do list. I am completely in the moment.
I feel the exact same way when I'm gardening. I'm just thinking about the plants, the sun, the water. It's very mindful. You know, this conversation makes me think we should all try to learn new hobbies too.
That's a great point. It's easy to stick with what we know. What's a hobby you've always wanted to try but haven't?
Pottery. I've always wanted to learn how to use a potter's wheel and make my own mugs and bowls. It seems so creative and calming.
Oh, you should definitely try it. I think you would be great at it. It seems similar to gardening, working with your hands, creating something beautiful from the earth.
You're right. Okay, maybe I will look for a class. What about you, Ben? Is there a new hobby you'd like to learn?
I have always wanted to learn a new language. I know it's a big commitment, but I love the idea of being able to communicate with more people and understand different cultures. Maybe Spanish or Italian.
That is a fantastic goal. And it's a hobby that really opens up the world. It's never too late to start.
That's true. Okay, so you'll try pottery, and I'll start learning Spanish. It's a plan. You know, we've covered a lot of ground today. Let's do a quick review.
Great idea. We started by talking about our main hobbies. I talked about my love for gardening and baking.
And I talked about my passion for playing the guitar and for hiking in nature. We discussed how hobbies are great for relaxation and de-stressing.
We also talked about how hobbies reflect our personalities and are important for our mental health and well-being. They help us to be mindful and live in the moment.
And finally, we inspired each other to try learning new hobbies, pottery for you, and a new language for me.
It just shows that hobbies are such a rich and important part of life. They bring us joy, peace, and help us grow as people.
I couldn't agree more. This has been a really wonderful conversation, Chloe. I feel very inspired.
Me too. Thank you so much to everyone who listened to us today. We truly hope you enjoyed our chat about hobbies and pastimes.
And now, of course, we have a question for you. What is your favorite hobby? And what is a new hobby you would love to learn?
Please leave a comment below and share your passions with us. We would be so excited to read about what you love to do in your free time.
And one last time, please don't forget to subscribe to Real World English and give this episode a like if you enjoyed it. It really helps us keep making these conversations for you.
That's right. Well, thank you again, everyone. Goodbye for now, Ben.
Goodbye, Chloe, and goodbye, everyone. We hope you find some time for your hobbies this week. See you next time.